Hi friends, welcome back to my channel English with Tej. Let's make learning English simple and fun together. So this video is going to be very interesting for you and very useful for you. So before going ahead, just one request from you guys. Please subscribe my channel because I badly need subscriber. My subscriber base is almost zero. It's just below 100. So please like, share and subscribe this video because you need to support me, bro. I will definitely, I promise you, I will help you to become a fluent. You believe me, you will be able to speak English confidently. Okay, so let's not take much time and let's jump to the topic. So today's topic is this: how to become fluent in English. So what are the aspects if you want to learn, if you're a beginner and want to become a fluent, and if you are studying and if you are preparing for a job interview? So if you want to become a fluent in English, what are the things which you need to be put in your mind? So the first thing is that you need to first start listening English. This is a very important. So if you want to speak good English, it is necessary for you, or we can say it's most important for you to understand English properly. You should be able to understand the English even if the native speaker, maybe any person from US or UK, if they are talking in English. So you will have the ability to understand. Even if you are not able to speak, that's fine. If you are able to speak few words or few sentences, that's completely fine. But you must have this ability to understand the English, so that if you're watching any videos in YouTube, or if you're watching any web series in English or any English movies or English news, so at least you should be able to understand. So this is going to help you. What will happen if you will able to understand the English? It will help you to make yourself aware with the things which is happening in the world. It will motivate you to learn English, okay, to become a fluent. So this is a most important. But how you will make this habit, or how you will be able to understand the English? So from today onwards, you have to start watching news. And the best, what I found, I have been, when I was beginner, what I used to watch small short stories available on YouTube. So small stories of the village or farmer or student, and there are very interesting videos available on YouTube nowadays, and these videos are free. If you're running, walking, and if you're going for job, or if you're working something, so just put the earphone in the ear and keep listening whenever you have a time. If you're cooking food, if you're eating food, no problem, just play the video and start listening. So this will definitely going to help you to understand the English. Apart from this, what you can do, you need to start little bit reading as well. At least I will say 15 to 20 minutes. You should start reading newspaper every day, because newspaper is also great way to improve your English, because by that way you will be able to pronounce the word correctly, and you can check the pronunciation and spelling and their meanings in your phone. You can use Google Translate, and there are some other dictionaries which provide you the meaning and the pronunciation as well. So this is the first steps you need to take in the journey of learning fluent English. And second, what I will say, you need to start learning basic grammar, because when we learn English as a second language, it is most important for us to know the basic grammar. Some people say, no, how we learn the Hindi or our mother tongue without knowing the grammar? That is the different case. We were kid, now we are not a kid, neither our mind is a kid. Our mind has grown up, it's been adult. So it's not possible for you to learn the English without knowing the grammar. You don't need to learn the grammar at the very advanced level. Just basic knowledge you must have, like what are the parts of a speech, what are the tenses, and what are the modal verbs, and what are the some other like conditional and other sentences types. So you have to just learn the basic grammars, okay? Don't become master in the grammar. it will help you to frame the sentences whenever you are stuck somewhere. So you can frame the sentence and you can repeat it, and you can bring that sentence in your habit. Here's the third important things which you need to do even from day one. That is, start speaking English. The day you think that you have to become fluent English, you have to start speaking English, because the more you speak, the more you become fluent. Everyone knows that if you're going to start talking day one, definitely you're going to make mistakes. So you don't have to afraid that you are making mistakes. No problem. Try to speak English. Try to be comfortable with English language. Okay. And the grammar part will come later. You can improve your English grammatical parts later. So the first things what you need to start even from today, start speaking small sentences, small phrases like come here, sit down, where are you going, in which class do you study, I'm going to the market, I have to eat this fruit, like this. And you can think, what you have done in the day, like I wake up in the morning at 5 a.m. After that, I went to the washroom, then I did brush, and after that I have taken breakfast, then you went to the school and you returned from the school and you went for playing cricket. So like this, you have to think your daily routines in your mind, and you can also come in front of the mirror and you can start talking yourself. So this is great tips for you as a beginner. And once you are able to speak small phrases or sentences, then you should come on the YouTube or any other websites where you can talk with the people. There are multiple apps or websites where you can talk with them, a live person. If you can find any one of your friend who's also learning English, then it will be a great help for you, because both of you can talk in English. If you both are making mistakes, then you can correct each other. So, and apart from that, you will not feel bad if you made mistakes. What happens when we talk with the person who knows English well, or who can speak English very good? If we are talking, so we have fear in our mind that we are making mistakes. So am I saying wrong, something like that. So if you have a friend who is also beginner, who is also learning English, so it will be a great atmosphere or great ambience for you. If you can find a group of the people, then you have a great chance to become fluent in just 3 to 4 months. How? You can make groups, or you can come online on Zoom meetings, or if you're available, you can go to in the park and just talk with each other, like just discuss about any topic, and everyone has to say something about that topic. So this is the great way to become a fluent. So these are the 3 ways which I told you for a beginner. Start speaking English, and start listening English, and start reading, and improve your grammar. So these are the basic steps you need to follow to become a fluent. I'm sure if you're following these tips, and if you're giving 2 to 3 hours every day to your English, definitely within 3 to 4 months, you will be able to speak good English. So guys, please comment about this video. If you have any feedback, please put in the comment, and please like, share and subscribe this channel. Thank you very much for watching my video. Yeah, bye-bye.